Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a hamburger menu in Wix Studio. Let's dive right in and make your website both stylish and user-friendly with this modern menu style. Whether you're new to website design or just looking for a way to streamline your site, a hamburger menu is a fantastic choice. It's sleek, clean, and provides a great user experience, especially for mobile visitors. Plus, it'll help make your website look more professional. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Wix website editor. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply log into your Wix account's dashboard and under My Sites, click on the one you want to edit. This will take you to the website editor screen where all the magic happens. From here, you'll have full control over the design and structure of your website. Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it super easy to customize everything, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. Once your site editor is open, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Give it a click. This section is essentially the control center for the pages on your website. It's where you can manage the layout of your site's navigation, organize your pages, and even make changes to the structure of your website. From here, we're going to select the specific page where we want to implement our hamburger menu. Now, after you've selected Pages and Menu, a list of all the pages on your site will appear. Decide which page you want your hamburger menu to be associated with. Consider the user experience here. Usually, it's best placed on the home page or any page that serves as a jumping-off point for navigation. The home page often serves as the main entry point for most visitors, so that's typically a great spot for your menu. But feel free to add it to any other page that's important for navigation, like a product or service page. With that page selected, let's move on to the actual implementation. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen again. This time, you're looking for Add Element, a staple of Wix's drag-and-drop simplicity that allows you to customize your site to your exact specifications. Once you find Add Element, click on it. A whole menu of different elements you can add to your page will expand, showing options from text and images to buttons and more. Scroll down until you find Menu and Anchor. This is where we'll find our hamburger menu settings. Clicking on Menu and Anchor further expands your options, and what you need now is the hamburger menu section. This menu style has become increasingly popular, especially for mobile device navigation, due to its clean and space-saving design. It's the perfect solution for websites with a lot of content or for those who want to keep their design minimalistic and clutter-free. With the hamburger menu, everything is tucked away neatly, which improves the overall aesthetic and functionality of your site. Once you click on Hamburger Menus, you'll be greeted with a selection of different hamburger menu designs crafted to perfectly blend with various website styles. Whether you're going for a modern look, a minimalist design, or something more dynamic, there's a design for you. Choose the one that complements your site's aesthetic and personality. Keep in mind that the hamburger menu is often best suited for mobile views, but it can work just as well on desktop sites for a more sleek, compact navigation bar. And voila! Just like that, you've successfully added a hamburger menu to your page. Feel free to drag it and position it exactly where you think it'll best serve your visitors. You can place it in the top corner for easy access, or anywhere else that makes sense for your site's layout. Don't forget to preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions just as you envisioned. You can even test it out on both desktop and mobile views to see how it performs on different screen sizes. This little addition could make a significant improvement in your site's navigation and overall user experience. A smooth, easy-to-navigate website is one of the most important aspects of keeping your visitors happy and engaged. If you have any questions or run into hurdles along the way, leave them down below. I'm here to help. I'm always happy to assist you with any questions or troubleshooting. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time for more helpful website tips and tricks. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Happy website building!